Hey folks, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are actually going to be doing a show and tell on a wig that I purchased for my birthday. Her name is Renee. She is from Sensational Collection Sheer Muse, and can I tell you how this girl is bomb.com.org.net? Oh man, just beautiful. Anyway, right now I am actually just doing my makeup, and this is the look that I actually wanted to do for my birthday, but I didn't have enough time to do any eyeshadow. I beat my face, but I didn't have time for any eyeshadow. So stay tuned, and we will be getting into this wig in a minute after I beat my face. If you like what you see so far, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you will get notified on everything Buzlin. Also, if you like how I am actually beating my face, let me know down in the comments below, and then I'll try to see if I can do more makeup videos. I don't know. That's not really my thing. I'm just trying here. I'm not MUA. I'm just trying here. Alright guys, just watch the rest of the video, and then we'll go into details on Miss Renee in a few. Alright, later.
Yeah, that's what I said. You break it, you bought it. I miss you.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we are going to be showcasing Miss Thing. She's actually from Sensational. We are going to get into this video, and I can give you all the details on her in a few. If you like what you see so far, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you can get notified. So come on, let's get into this video. All right. Okay, so Miss Thing, her name is Renee, and she is a 1B. Or one, actually, I'm sorry, a 1. She has HD lace, pre-plucked baby hairs, natural density. Her card doesn't really say much of anything. She is a salon inspired cut and color. Her laces ear to ear, include baby hair, and she's a lightweight unit. And when they say lightweight, she is really a lightweight unit. Okay, the back of the card says, meet Renee. Renee lets the mane roam free with her natural curly locks that looks amazing on everyone, that is ready to show off her hair statement. Let your curls do the speaking for you, and let out your inner fearness for any occasion. Ciao. And can I show you what occasion that I wore her to? Because girl, hold on, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Okay, bam. So I wore this little red number for my birthday. Yes, October, Team Libra. And Miss Renee was my birthday hair. And let me tell you, when I went to Atlanta and showed up and showed out, okay, they didn't know what to do with themselves. Trust me and believe. So I was very excited about when I saw her online. I automatically knew she was the birthday hair for me. Like I just, how could she not be? Styling her was easy. The lace was easy to cut. I wish I would have had a video of what I did to style her and everything like that, but I did all that in Atlanta, and I was running because you have to make reservations for dinner everywhere you go in ATL. But it was such a wonderful time. I had such a great time, and I'm just so excited and blessed to see 41 years. Don't tell nobody. But I am. and I had an amazing dinner. We went out to a steakhouse, and then after the steakhouse, we went to um, just this little lounge area to just relax and have a good time. But where would I wear Miss Ronay to? Obviously, a birthday occasion, because she is getting to her curl pattern is wonderful. If you want to bring her back to life, you can just add a little bit more water. I think I might have cut just a little, and I didn't need to cut more, but I cut just a little bit on the side here. But she is just giving me, I mean, you can dress her up and you can dress her down. She's giving me very natural, like if my hair was perm, this is exactly what I would want it to look like. Nice and full, curly, and just y'all see that? Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Would I buy her again? Yes, I would. I actually paid, it was under $40. I'll probably list how much I paid for her under here. I want to say maybe 35. Buy more than one? Yes, I did. Now, when I went back to wigtypes.com, she was sold out after I bought this one. And I saw another color that I really wanted, but she was sold out. And then I went maybe about a week ago, and she was back in stock, but only in this color, which I probably should buy another one, but in this color, and a 1B and a 4, and I got her in a 4 because I just feel like might as well just get her in a 4. She looks good. If she comes in that copper color, that's the real color that I really want her to be, I'll probably cop her too. And for $30-something, you cannot go wrong. You cannot go wrong. My aunt came to me and was just like, is that human hair? You know I wear wigs, but she asked me if it was human hair, and I was like, nah, girl. It's all synthetic up in here. You know, we can't be affording. I can't afford it. I'd rather just do the synthetic. I'm sorry. Let me tell you. A real human hair wig, I could probably finesse and find one for like $100, $200, $300. You know how many synthetic wigs I can buy for $200? One for $200, 4 for $200. You do the math. You do the math. Anyway, would I buy her again? Yes, I would. Did I buy her again? Yes, I did, and in different colors. I just love her. She's just beautiful, and the baby hairs is not that baby hairish. It just is perfect on my head. So what I suggest for you to do, and find Miss Ronay on any website that you can find her in, because she is giving that short hair bob. I'm being flirty, but not too flirty, but don't play with me, you know, kind of vibes, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe again to my channel. And I'm going to do more hair tutorials. I bought some more wigs, so I might as well go ahead, because I'm feeling like this is what I like to do, and this is what you like to see. So this is what I'm going to do. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Again, be safe and be blessed. Bye.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know? Don't judge me. I just wish you knew. That's just like you. I miss you as I need you.
Evidently, the coach can't bench me, the franchise player. I don't know how to miss, and they can't buy a layup. I'm anti-Wadea. I can't take my eyes off your pants, I swear. Girl, you shining like a damn Montclair. I'm thinking we should dip like the camera in air. If you the big stepper, I'm the landmine here. That's the one they know they can't come near. I just wanna see if you gon' lie, you gon' love me. I was getting bras way before I got the money. Honey, since I've been a star, they don't love me. The ceiling got stars when the star got no ceiling. Stick it down, stick it out, poke it out, stick it down, stick it out, poke it out. Yeah, she got a little butt, so big bag, she can show enough. Stick it down, stick it out, poke it down, poke it down, stick it down, poke it down, break it down low. See you play with her, you make a stallion or like Coil Ray.
I want you. I know life, you know.
Funny no more. She had to move on. And someone who got what she need. I only got what she want. I hope you covered in diamonds today. Hope you don't question the time in the day. Hope that you know that your mama ain't like me, and that's why I'm probably not by you today. Yeah. Dearly beloved, was lucky to love you, but I ain't recovered yet. So maybe I'm jealous, but slim in the tux doesn't look like a level up. I think.
Good night.